In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to set a discount expiration date on Gumroad. First, open Gumroad in your browser and log in to your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to the checkout section from the left sidebar and open discounts. Here you will see all your existing discount codes. You can either edit an existing discount or create a new one by clicking the new discount button at the top right corner. If you are creating a new discount, enter a name for the discount code and choose the product you want the discount to apply to. You can apply the discount to a specific product or to all products in your store. Next, choose the discount type such as a percentage discount or a fixed amount discount. After that, look for the validity period or expiration settings section. Here you can set both the start date and the expiration date for the discount. Enable the option to set an end date, then choose the exact date and time from the calendar. For example, you can make the discount expire next week at a specific hour. If you leave the no end date option enabled, the discount will stay active permanently until you disable or delete it manually. Once you finish setting the expiration date and discount details, click Add Discount or Save Changes at the top right corner of the page. And that's how to set a discount expiration date on Gumroad. Thanks for watching and goodbye.